You can change the display language of our Kingmark-3 software marking machines. First, you will need a password to get in the system setting menu. Contact your after-sale manager for this. Here, you can have a look how we quickly change display languages to Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Arabic, Italian, French, and German. In the menu, you'll also see that Vietnamese, Korean, Turkish, Polish, and Chinese are available by default. Generally speaking, these languages are sufficient to meet the needs of most users. Once you get in the menu, you can select your preferred language for the software interface. If you want to set a language but isn't in the menu, you may need to contact your after-sale manager to get a font installation file. But please understand, not every single language on earth is supported. Please also note that this refers only to the system display language. The operating system uses UTF-8 encoding at the core, and in principle, it can support the input of characters in various non-English languages by installing fonts. However, compared to large companies like Microsoft, our selection of corresponding font files is not as comprehensive. If you require this functionality, we recommend confirming before purchase whether the fonts for your desired languages are available, or upgrading to the more powerful Kingmark-8 system. Finally, we hope this video addresses your questions regarding the language settings on marking machines. In recent years, we've seen an increasing number of non-English speaking users using our compact, all-in-one to pneumatic or electric peen marking machines, and they often ask about these issues. We've created this video specifically to address these questions once and for all. If you're looking for a professional supplier of peen or laser marking machines, whether for customized machines and process support, wholesale purchases for resale, or individual consumables and parts, please subscribe to our channel and contact us.